Well, hello everyone. Just taking it easy here and playing around with some models that I really don't need to be building right now because I've got enough projects on my bench. But you know how it is, always playing with something and getting distracted and working on everything. But this is just something I'm playing with here, but working on some others. But I'll show you what happened this weekend at the Desert Scale Classic. So look forward to that video and slideshow. I worked really hard on that one, so I'm looking forward to launching that and showing it to you. But meanwhile, I'll take it easy, relax, and just play with this Porsche here for a little bit and see what goes on with that. Not in a hurry to build this, but just playing and taking my mind off of some projects and messing with others. You know how that is. We all seem to start more than we finish, but that's part of the modeling gig. So I'll see you this Saturday.